Creating a trading account on Exness is a straightforward process. To begin, you'll need a stable internet connection and a device like a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Start by visiting the official Exness website. Once you're there, look for the Register or Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the registration button, and you'll be directed to a new page where you'll need to fill in some essential information. EPAS typically includes your email address, password, and choice of account currency. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After providing the required information, you may need to confirm your email address by clicking on a verification link sent to your email inbox. This step is crucial for account security. Once your email is verified, you can log into your newly created Exness account. Before you start trading, you'll likely need to complete the account verification process. This involves submitting some identification documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. This step is essential for compliance with financial regulations and ensures the safety of your account. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Exness account. The platform typically offers various payment methods, such as bank transfers, credit-debit cards, and electronic wallets. Choose the method that suits you best and follow the instructions to add funds to your account. With a funded and verified account, you're ready to explore the world of trading on Exness. Navigate through the platform, explore the available financial instruments, and start placing trades based on your market analysis and strategy. Remember, trading involves risks, so it's essential to start with a small investment and gradually increase as you gain experience. Keep an eye on market trends, stay informed about economic events, and make informed decisions to maximize your chances of success in the exciting world of online trading.